Amid ongoing complaints from small ganja farmers of little to no communication with the government on the Alternative Development Program, reassurance this evening from the Agriculture Ministry. It comes from Agriculture Minister Audley Shaw, who insists that the initiative will not exclude small ganja farmers. The Alternative Development Program is expected to help the farmers build out legitimate operations in the first quarter of this year.
I can assure you that my 3-month plan for the ADPs, using the 2 pilot projects, starting with them in a compound and in Orange Hill, those projects will be well on the way. I give you that assurance.
In the meantime, Mr. Shaw is also warning the ganja farmers that there will be no exceptions to the rules.
Be prepared to start working with the rules. There are rules of engagement. It can't be any way you want to do something. You have to do it the right way, because the right way is the way of international standards. And if we want to have an internationally marketable range of products, then we have to follow the rules.